If you've been shadow banned on X, you are in the right place. This video will teach you how to fix any shadow ban, including labels, ghost bans, search suggestion bans, and just the regular hidden reply shadow bans. When you notice that you are shadow banned, the first step is to immediately stop posting and interacting so that you don't make things worse. Then, to fix the shadow ban, you need to clean up your account by deleting posts and replies that may have caused it. Shadow bans are usually caused by having low tweet cred, which means you interacted with or posted low quality content. By cleaning up your account, you will raise your tweet cred score and remove the shadow ban. Before I explain which posts and replies to start with, I have to give a shout out to Alex Finn and Monetization Coach. This information comes from them. And if you are a serious creator on X, you have to follow both of these accounts. In order for this to work, you need the correct settings. To get the correct settings, log into X from your browser and go to Settings, Settings and Privacy, Privacy and Safety, Content You See, and then make sure this box is not checked. When the box is unchecked, posts with sensitive content will have a warning label on them. If the box is checked, you will have no idea what content is sensitive. Once you have the box unchecked, go through your replies and delete any 2 accounts in the probable spam or show additional replies section, sensitive content, posts containing words like follow for follow or other platform manipulation, and suspended accounts. Be aware that if you are following an account, their replies will not show up in probable spam, so this might require more digging than just a casual glance. Next, look through your regular posts and do the same thing. Delete any that contain sensitive content, could be considered offensive, contain deleted media, or mention words like follow for follow or I follow back. I would also recommend deleting any adult content even if it doesn't have the sensitive content label. If you find a lot of posts that you need to delete, resist the urge to do it all at once. If you have more than about 10 that you need to delete, I would recommend spreading it out over a few days, otherwise you will make your issue worse. It's also good practice to look through the accounts you're following and make sure they're all high quality. So as you're going through your replies, if you see accounts that you're following that are posting the content I mentioned previously, then I would recommend unfollowing these accounts. One giveaway that an account is doing platform manipulation is that they are following more accounts than follow them. So if you see any of these accounts that you're following, I would recommend unfollowing them. Same with deleting replies. Do not mass unfollow or you will make your issue worse. After you clean up your account, then wait for a day or so. If your account is still shadow banned after waiting, this means there is still content on your account that is causing the shadow ban. Go back through your replies and posts and delete more. You may need to look deeper into your replies this time. Delete replies made to community noted and deleted posts. Maybe a reply you made to a post was clean, but if you look around, then there's actually sensitive content somewhere else on that account, and so you need to delete the reply. Also, there's evidence that repeatedly sending the same reply can lead to shadow bans, so pay attention to any replies you've made that are exactly the same and delete the duplicates. Do a deeper investigation, delete more posts, and then wait again. After doing this, eventually your shadow ban should go away. If your shadow ban is still there after a week, then contact me and I will help you. This last part is extremely important. After you fix your shadow ban, you have to stop doing the things that caused the shadow ban, otherwise you'll end up shadow banned again. I listed a bunch of things that caused them in this video, but for a more detailed list, check out this video here.